The Digoo clock is up. It's not the greatest install, but it's not bad. The wire is a little... but the other one was just fucking all over the place. I just, of course, used some hot glue just to stick it, and it just runs down, goes in there, and then behind and plugs in back there somewhere. This computer has been a catch-all for all kinds of shit, and one day, hopefully soon, I will be resurrecting it, and it will be the recipe machine. That's correct. But anyway, there's the clock. The camera doesn't seem to do a lot of good justice to it. Let me go back to the end of the room. Yeah, the camera just washes it out. I can see it absolutely perfectly. If I zoom in, if it'll focus, maybe too close, but it's very, very readable. Even here with the light on it, and I can even read it out in the backyard. Let me shut the lights. That's pretty damn cool. I like it, absolutely. Oh, sounds like a lion is roaring somewhere. But yeah, it's up, and it also has that feature where it'll dim the lights or dim the display at nighttime when it gets, I set it from 11 to like 6 a.m. So there you go, it's up. Perfectly readable, just what I wanted, does 24-hour time, excellent. So thanks for watching, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.